Yeah, it really is, and a lot of community members are very concerned about that. As you mentioned, as of 7 o'clock this morning, it appears Weiss Memorial Hospital is closed. It's when someone came out and locked those doors. Just a few moments ago, workers came out and began to cover up the emergency sign of the hospital. As you mentioned, this is the worst possible news for this diverse community, and because the neighborhood and its residents rely on the safety net hospital for health care, activists plan a rally as a last-ditch effort to try to save Weiss. The Weiss Memorial Hospital has been a staple in this Uptown neighborhood on the north side for decades. The 239-bed acute care inpatient hospital was forced to close after a letter was sent by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services saying that as of Saturday, Weiss would no longer be a part of the agency's program because of non-compliance. Now, the agency says Weiss is out of compliance with its nursing services, food and dietary services, physical environment, and emergency services. The Illinois Department of Public Health says patients are no longer being treated at the hospital. Now, some of the hospital's patients, several lawmakers, and city council members are now joining forces asking for an 8-week extension so Weiss can stay open.
We are working on a plan right now with the ownership to see how we can get the hospital back up and running again. We have asked federal CMS, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, for an extension of 8 weeks so that the hospital itself can fix its internal operations.
Now, you may remember this is really not the first issue that Weiss Hospital has had. Remember back in June, that's when the AC system quit and the hospital had to transfer patients to other hospitals. They had to deal with that. One of the owners saying then that the prior ownership had not maintained the AC system and that's why it quit. We are also told that the owners of Weiss, even though they have not commented at this point, they're planning on making some comment about the hospital's closure later on this morning.